Jake siyabonga sithi kanjalo kanjalo sekuphinde kwabanjalo. Grace and peace. I really hope this finds you well and in awesome and dope and powerful spirits. Igama uThembekile, otherwise known as Uskim Babu Tlali Babu Chabela, the wise that are coming from the East Rand. Vandag with us in the building, a young man, a dynamic young man in the social space, and you've been doing nothing but good, Mchana. We are all inspired, some of us ngikhuluma ngabantu ababukela lento enizenzayo, ngiyababona abo Sizwe Mpofu, ngiyababona abo Pen, ngiyababona abo Sbu, gents, it's a revolution, culture entsha le, and ngicabanga ukuthi it's here to stay. And lengwenya ke ibuya kude all the way from eZansi. Awulele mntakababa wathi no mina ke ngiyofuna impilo and I'm going to Joburg. Ufuna mina ngifuna yena. Akazi siyafuna nami ngiyamfuna uyangifuna. Finally we are here. Young man, asibabingelele edladleni. Gama isibongo udabukapi.
Nango uziro inkinga sanibonani ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama. Ngihleli nobhuti omdala and bhuti omdala uhleli noluthando makanya umnguni uyeye uqwabe. I'm here to start a revolution. I'm here to explain izinto and hopefully open the minds of abantu abamnyama. Yeah, understand abantu might look at me and judge me, but you have to understand ukuthi my age shouldn't define into ezophuma lemlomeni.
Yes.
It should be into that will educate you. It should be into ezokwenza sure ukuthi it changes your life. Yeah, but let's promote black excellence.
Yeah.
That's why I'm here. I feel like that's why ngila emhlabeni, to promote black excellence and make sure it's umuntu omnyama uyathuthukwa. And I'm thankful ukuhlala nawe la.
The black excellency, young man, he has put your life in danger. That's where I start. As we speak, you are deep in shit. As you speak, you are dilly-dallying, hide and seek. What is happening, Mchana? And how did we get here?
It all started with me realizing ukuthi kunezinto engizaziyo abanye abantu abangazazi. And I decided to share my knowledge through videos. Manje inkinga iyodwa la eSouth Africa, I finally understand ukuthi umuntu omnyama who uses ingqondo yakhe, umuntu omnyama who decides to think beyond the system uba threats. So the things I shared, the truths I revealed kubantu kungenze ngaba threats kubanyama individuals, and they came for me. They came for me, ne? But manje inkinga, I am ignorant of the dangers of lento engenzayo. Because once I get an idea, I would say, okay, I'm inspired to kwenza ivideo kanje to reveal this truth ebantwini abamnyama. Ngiyayenza ivideo, ngicabanga ngisengipostile ukuthi hayibo, no man, no. Ngiyayiqatha lana, I just revealed i-routine yomuntu, I just revealed the way abenza ngayo, abasebenza ngayo. And ngiphazamisa umsebenzi. But I have to in order to free the black community. I feel like Lelizwe is built on amanga, on top of amanyamanga. And in order for us to see a way forward, especially within the black community, as it destroy amanga, see build the we can rebuild. But first, let's deconstruct the system. First, let's destroy yonke into bambezelwe umuntu omnyama.
Young man, here is that old man, old woman. The first question I was like, how old is this boy? Because ukhulumisa as someone obhajwe nge-old soul. You have an old soul, very young, nishilo, ferocious, vibrant, an eloquent speaker, but you are an old soul. Uyabuza umdala ekhaya. Unangakhi lo mfana okhuluma indaba ezinzima kanje?
Ngisana 22, still 22 years old. But I feel like that doesn't matter, bhuti omdala. What matters lana ukuthi I want to make a change. Akusizi ukuhlala phansi ekhaya uthi hayi ngeke izinto ziright zinje, knowing very well ukuthi the next generation is shuthi nabo uzothi abavumele mess lena, nabo uzothi abamkele this corrupt system. It's time for a change, it's time for a revolution. I understand it will take time because ngisamncane, but that's why I'm here. Ngihleli nawe bhuti omdala. I'm going to learn from your wisdom.
So young people want to tap into this grace, this point, the Pulia wisdom on and what you're about to teach. But the question is, the spiritual awakening. When was the time where the penny dropped and you realized, Guti, I have a gift, and it's not only a gift. I'm really a bomb that's ready to explode. When was that time? We realized, no, I'm flying into the future. You are doing you know, this young man, I show speed.
Yeah.
I see so much of him in you because you are doing things. A 22-year-old, ibhizi ngento zayo chief. Ngikhuluma ngama out. I-cherry zona zinoku ngoba seziya understand that trending and tontoni. Intwana ezincane they are woke in Hubblies and what. Not
Yes.
that all of them. I'm proud that you represent a minority yalaba, but one day izaya ngale. When was that time when you realized with this is me now?
I feel like I've always had it because ever since ngisamncane day angazi since an early age I've always felt ukuthi I'm destined to do something. Ngizela emhlabeni, there's a purpose I have to serve. Yabo ngakhula nayo leyo nto leyo. Even when I had friends because ngikhulela ukushina, I'm no different than umchito ohleli lapha esitolo. I'm no different than umchito ohleli emgaqweni right now. Ukuthi at an early age I was equipped with knowledge and amengazi ngiyithathaphi. And then it was like sengipusha abangani bami around me uthi no man, instead of ukuthi uhambe uyothenga utshwala, why not le mali uyithathe thenga irice endlini, save uthenga upende penda kini, be the change kini instead of being toxic and allowing ikasi ukuthi lili kumosha. I was the kind of friend obavimbile from ukuthi manje babheme nensango lezi zinto ezibhedayo. And then it became a matter of ukuthi okay, mina nabangani bami we are that team manje sipusha progress sisenza izinto eyisana phambili. Into encane like check ifridge ekhaya ukuthi khonani. Ubona okay le intenge uthenge. It matters a lot then ukuhlala emgaqweni ukuthi mangena imali wena ucabanga ukuthi thinthenga insango or uthi ngithenga ibhiya.
Yeah.
Because even as buthi umdala ibhlungu lento because asinawo ama hero. That's why ukuhlala nawe kanje umuntu obukelayo right now uzosho ukuthi finally someone orepresenta mina ukwazi ukuhlala etafuleni with one of the greats akhulume neHoodman afunde because ama legends ethu ama hero ethu asemakasi umuntu uzokutshela mshanami unemali thenga ubhiya asiphose. Uzokutshela mshanami yazi inkantina leyana kanjani iright asibhema mshanami akuthume ugwayi from a very young age. Ngane na 10 thuma ugwayi, automatically you're installing leyo mindset so i-right lento because why urazi uyayenza. Awazi ukuhlala nawe phansi akutshela no, here's the way forward. Enza lokhu it'll take you away from the system yala izokusiza kunalokho bas corrupt asinawo amarazo.
I'm tempted to give you an opportunity, Maya, just to ventilate, and we go deeper now into these real issues now that are, you know, eventually and ultimately affecting you and your livelihood. You know, obviously, in a family would be affected. Mama go happy, people won't be happy. Mama, because basizala, but now ungasabi ne control. Umzela umntwana as a career, but makafika lenda la akhethe ipath yakhe. But ngisho ukuthi your mom is proud of you. This is because kuna yona lentwana leyo speed iyakutshela ukuthi ekukhuleni oledlabe lingayizwisisi lento ukuthi and then wona lokubhizi abantu babhizi ngento eziserious ubhizi ngama TV game nani ubhizi ngama whatever so maybe kwenzeka ngaleyo ndlela. Give me the top 2 of one of the highlights. There will be videos uthi mawuhleli uthi no I thought I was just doing a video and reviewing mara ya break internet and it went wild because mayloku ibuya kuwe kaningi it is only then you realize ukuthi hayi no lento ihambile because mina I came across your videos you know a while back and I've been asking myself ukuthi ngoba manje mawuhleli leyo reason ngakhona ngithi lentwana mhlambe intwana egrowth mara ine baby face you understand only now sengiyayithola ukuthi lentwana kahle vele intwana encane but intwana eyenza izinto and intwana ethumekayo intwana esese namaphupho kusengashintsha izinto eziningi. But give me 2 of the highlights and then what were those issues? Because when you reviewed the stories I just want you to take us down memory lane ukuthi ifike kanjani kuwe when you handpicked and say no ngifuna ukwenza istory ezikakhehlekisa and then how you reviewed it and how you we just want to tap into the reservoir la ustora khona sifuna ukuzwa ama chips wakho makuthiwa down or up ukuthi hamba njani
ngiyakuzwa. I guess the first video engasho ukuthi it made a big splash in the community na social media was when I decided to talk about amaringi that are worn by Freemasons nama bishops and everything. So I noticed kangidlalele one day I noticed I really thought ukuthi okay why is it that every single person who has influence like South Africa kuba khona certain rings awagqokayo? Yabo. And then it came to me, let me research about this. Yabo. And then I did my research. I found out it's okay. They call themselves the Freemasons. They are dominant like South Africa and other places. And then ngase ngifuna ukwazi, okay, how do you identify them? Let's say there's 100 people. How will I know ukuthi lo uyilento le? Then okay, maring. I came with my documents. I saw my pictures, and I did a video yami yokuqala. And then it went viral. I think it hits around 1 million within a few hours.
Yes.
Gabon, it's okay, I'm onto something la. Angenza part 2, let's dig deeper. Sithole the origins ukuthi iqhamuka phi yonke lento.
But give us the content, and what you were saying on that video. Obviously, after I research their utterances, there's how ubeka lento ngakhona. When someone is writing a song, Dear Mama, ka Tupac, asikhohle.
Yeah. It all started, the first video, it all started with me being a fan of Honesty C.
Yeah.
Then I was like, he hero, he's done so much in South Africa. Ngabuye ngabuka ngahlala phansi ngabuka ngathi no man. Khona amaringa wafakayo. What do they mean? What do they mean? And then kwawukuthi ke sengidika deep ke, that's when I saw the history of the rings. I saw the symbolism alaphayana. I talked about that. Ingakho ngithi yavela trender in a few minutes because I mentioned the hero. He is a hero to me because ngakhula ngilalela ingoma zakhe. Yabo. And then the second video, I wanted the origins ukuthi qala kwenzekalani. Then I found ukuthi khona ama founding fathers. There are people, original people abaqala all of this. Ukuthi they made a deal with a certain deities ukuthi bafuna bona ukuphila kamnandi. They want generational wealth.
Yo.
And then it started then again. I find out to okay, I'm a Rothschild. I found out wonke le bongo lezi of people we've always known to be rich for years. And then it's like it's a rabbit hole, Putomtala. It's a rabbit hole, and once one again, you just see more.
Yeah.
And the more you see, the more kalusab. Inkinga was when I finished part 3 with it, and I manje washubak. Because they saw, which I just exposed everything, Gabo. Everything, Gabo, washuba. They came for me. Kanzima. Even though TikTok wanted to ban my account. Ka report appeal because I didn't know why my account me ban.
Yeah.
And then banganginikeza that's right. They brought back the account. Kwa ukuthi certain individuals man sebefika ngasekhaya looking for me because of the knowledge I shared. I guess the thing is sure it's like South Africa, if you use your head, if you think beyond the system or by threats. I even challenged the idea of a freedom. Do you feel ukuthi si free like wena because phela indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili.
Yeah.
If ubuka nje South Africa, are we truly free as abantu abamnyama?
No, we're still far from that. Yonke into monopoly. I-freedom angithi iyahluka kukhona mawukhuluma liberation kukhona i-financial freedom nje number 1. So ama-banks asaphethwe somewhere from mining even the parastatals yonke lenyakanyaka. So i-issue ye-freedom mina it's a state of mind kimi. Kufana nejele. Ijele abantu bayaboshwa benza ama-life sentences bengaphandle because you don't realize ukuthi how much time do you have until bayithathe away from you bese bakunika ama-privileges so sejele. So mawulapha uzovaluewa ke i-freedom. So ubekisa South Africa nejele into one because i-red race le. That is why yonke into is regulated and then ama-systems lawa asakhandwa abantu and abantu abawakhanda bayawabeka baphinde bawakhandulule because ngabekwa something mawabonta isabasebenzile baye court mabefika bayilifte lento le.
Manje why umuntu omnyama encisheka ke but omdala all of this because asifundi yabona you touched on a topic a very sensitive financial literacy, imali. Umuntu omnyama we are not taught imali esikoleni. Umuntu omnyama uzaphume e-high school engazi ukuthi yini ama-stocks, yini ama-bonds, what is i-Bitcoin, ukusave ngenza kanjani.
Yeah.
Why besincisha leyo knowledge? Because if usingenayo we cannot create a generational wealth. umuntu can have 1 million manje, but because he lacks the knowledge,
Yeah.
ingaphela within a year.
Umuntu would rather give you money, mara ngeke akutshela uyithathaphi or uyenza kanjani. So wena kuwe ngizokubuza into esimple. Let's say unendlela yakho wenza ngayo inyuku.
Yes.
Do you open that door? Say use endaweni yangakini, urun isitolo esikhulu. Do you empower somebody else to open a shop next door wena? Uzazi ukuthi I'm killing profits. Angithi uyazi ngenza 10,000 per day. So why would you open that door and multiply yourself? I-replicate lento le ibe la next door ibe kuphi nani. So that is why inale traffic. If ungayibheka even in the taxi industry, le ndaba ye-killing and what have you, istarte ngayo lento yokuthi umono ucala esweni enhlizweni. Ngangenza imali 10,000, 20,000, nginamateksi awu 10 ngi1. The next thing sekufika ungubani ufake 8, immediately I cut a half in half imali yami. So if I kill Ngubane, I'm back in business.
Then how can yabona ngilimele? That's why ngitsanda nje yabona namhlanje ngizofunda okuningi. Ngilimele
and ufundisa thina namhlanje. But anyway, just to give it a sense of direction, because into okhulume ngazo ngifuna ukuthi umuntu ohleli osekhaya abe kulomqondo engikuwo, because mina ngibukela into zakho, I got goosebumps.
Yes.
Now kunomuntu ofana nami ufake ring engingakunika yona uyithathele, and ngiyakhumbula ngenza i-live kwangena omunye usister ukule department yobunyanga kanjalo yabalaphi bendabuko, and then she says to me, lalela chief, mina ngikutshela zisuka, uyabona wena uphethe accessory, that is why ungenanto eziningi, and mina ngazi ukuthi ubani uyifaka kuphi nani. So mina ngikhona ukubona makumatcha ukuthi hayi wena kahle umuntu ngoba wena ukhuluma ngejewelry. Wathi lenye ihlukile chief, usha uvala uyibukele lento. Zona lento okhuluma ngazo zo bishop nani. So ngiyathanda ke manje ukuthi akujule ke uyinabise, ngoba ngiyazi abantu abaningi bathanda i-offense. Yini story ke sike sikhulume eqala la ko bishop ukuthi i-issue yala ithini, ngoba bayawafaka vele ubuningi babo once angafaka kube mpora nani. Is there significance or mhlawumbe indlela yokuthi you know mawuhambile thina kunabashana abanokuphuma kuthiwa hayi siyaphuma siyoba yinsizwa, mawubuya there are things ekumele zenze as perform as rituals, then so thathiwa initiator. So land, is it part of initiation or what's going on kahle istory nje sikhulume ngabo bishop siyekelele lezi ziningi zama Freemasons na.
It's the influence, the power it has ebantwini and the South African community, because if you have that ring you have access to into eyiningi abanye abantu abangenayo access to. You ungangena somewhere and show the ring, you will get a certain type of treatment compared to abanye abantu. It offers you more opportunities. More opportunities endaweni eyiningi. That's why abantu end up going that route, because we do even have a certain president allegedly eyayiqoka le ring lena yayinayo naye and iterm yayo yaphatha eyakhe ring yayinkulu nje ina this black thing in the center wayiqoka. So it is a part of the culture itself. Unga understand ukuthi why they choose this route, but the one thing you know Uzi, once they have the ring, they have the influence, they are promised the success. They are promised it is their success.
In your research or through your research, did you somewhat maybe when you were drawing similarities kunento abayibiza ukuthwala? So abantu abathwele baba nento eyithize, omunye ama boys, omunye inyoka, omunye kuningi mfethu, you know. And then bese uyihlanganisa ne ring. I-ring, is it part of that culture?
Although ngazilutho ngokuthwala, but indlela ekwenzeka ngayo, you could say it's the same. Sekusho abantu kuma comments abazi kahle ngokuthwala and everything. But the influence, the money, the everything, the fame, konke kuzumkanye. And they don't even hide it. It's there. It's just that abantu abayiqaki to look for it and connect the dots. It's there. Even the pictures are there. We have even our first black president in Isike Simboni. Tombeni that are out there. Gogile lama outfits akhona. Emile with certain bishops shoot ithombe. So it's right in front of you. You just gotta search for it. You just gotta know ukuthi ngifunani and you will find it. Gotta be careful. There are some things. There are some windows. Ungasmasiwavule ngasavaleka. Because man, you know too much. You know too much as umuntu omnyama.
Once ungene la once you subscribe to lento or ukhuluma ngokureviewer.
Yeah, once nje hayi ukuthi you subscribe nje cha nje once wayiqaka ngeknowledge
Oh yeah.
manje kuba nzima because usuyibona everywhere you go and then like uqala ukusaba in a way ukusaba konke lokhu because you're scared it's okay maybe they'll notice you and they'll come for you because manje angithi there's a secret society wena manje usuqhamuka usuyaveza.
How powerful are these secret societies? Because you are saying they are running the world. Actually, basiphethe. Whether siyathanda siphethe.
Basiphethe. It goes as far as ukuthi like South Africa, when we elect a president, kuphela a few months and then ahambe aye England. England, there are pictures. It's out there. Lento ikhona. People must connect the dots. England, bafika laphaya. Bagqokiswe the full attire and they have to say an oath in front of the Queen Elizabeth now washona sekumunye but they say an oath promising ukuthi no matter what happens njengoba kuyiterm yami yokuphatha I will not ngiphazamisa umsebenzi. There are certain things ezenzekalayo la South Africa engizoyeka and turn a blind eye ngingazenzi. I exposed that oath ngayisho bayibona abantu. So I'm not shocked ima ukuthi ipresident kwenzeka into ethize and then pretending ngathi akabonanga. I'm not shocked ima ukuthi kufika COVID-19 and then upresident says usiza abantu ukuze kufike imali but no assistance came to abantu. They promised ukuthi ngeke bawuphazamisa umsebenzi. It's there on the internet bhekani ikhona nizoyibona right in front of your face. That's why I'm so against politics, Kanji. I feel like this country needs some kind of revolution that will reshape the whole structure itself. Since they show it also favors Omnyama. Because in a way, even this government itself doesn't favor us. Why sihlupheka kanje? Why sihlupheka kanje singabantu abamnyama when we have a government that is run by black people? Proving ukuthi there is a shadow government erana everything.
Now, when I asked the question, we are painting two pictures. So one, I think it's clear from our Rothschilds, from Freemasons, rings, bishops and stuff. What was that second one? Almost pretty much the same as the first one.
The first one, it was when I talked about G20. Recently, we just had G20, which was the biggest thing to happen in South Africa, right?
Yeah.
But manje, there's a game they play, labantu aba allegedly control the system. We had a situation whereby in South Africa, ufika Palestine, right? The whole black community, everyone was furious. Labantu bafika kanjani lana, bazongena without actually gaining permission kanjani. It was just a misdirection to shift ifocus yabantu abamnyama from G20 to lento. Whilst with G20, they were selling off our assets. As in South Africa, they were auctioning off izinto that should benefit South Africans, that should benefit abantu abamnyama. It went as far as ukuthi ngisho manje sekhona ama-mine avukile and lama mine lawa are not 100% owned by South Africans. Kunehaba eseDurban. Le haba eseDurban was auctioned off. A percentage, a portion of it was auctioned off. Abantu bangatshena. It kwasetshenziswa misdirection khona umuntu omnyama azofocus kulokhu ongabalekile whilst in the background kwenzeka into ethize and I exposed that. I showed abantu iqiniso so that bezokwazi ukuthi bafocus kuyona into ekuyona nebalekile. Because right now you find ukuthi there are areas eMzumbe, eClaremont, in Durban, in Claremont, eLamontville. Recently there's discovered lithium. Lithium, it's a boy battery. You have like a regular battery.
Everywhere. My track our sevens, my signal. Yeah.
We have lithium in South Africa. The goal now is for them to mine lithium. Currently, the first mine evukile is eMzumbe. Le mine njengoba ivukile eMzumbe in KZN. Le mine, they did not buy off abantu bomphakathi. No, they are doing mining. Umakhelwane nangu yalaphayana, amabhuma yaqhuma, pollution everywhere. But ama-heroes ethu, ama-legends, ama-politicians, the people, heroes of the community, bathule. They turning a blind eye because they promised not ukuphazamisa umsebenzi. There are other areas allocatedwa leli dam khona. Nakhona kusazokhozeka i-chaos because they have to mine it. Manje, it's like, okay, let me make example causing like juice.
Yeah.
Let's say mhlampe they find a rare mineral eSoweto. It's a township, kugcwele abantu abamnyama.
Yeah.
They have to mine. Bazokwenza njani? Kuzovuka impi. Abantu ngeke bavume phela manje. Bazolwa.
Yeah.
Kodwa manje we promised ukuthi umsebenzi ngeke uphazamise. They will find a way ukuthi bayisuse lento le. Ngiyaxolisa ukudlila isikhathi but I need to explain this.
Uzele kona.
Once upon a time we had a leader AIT land expropriation without compensation. Sonke samsupporta, we rallied around that because the issue of land ibalulekile. Fast forward a few years kuze kube manje January, our president signed an act. That act iyayivumela land expropriation without compensation. Manje there's a catch. If we sign a lento manje, why? Because there are minerals that were discovered in South Africa. So the act isi turn against abantu abamnyama. Abantu will get removed from izindlu zabo. And kuzothiwa it's for the benefit of South Africa. And the act, Land Expropriation Act, iyakuvumela ngoba ithini ithi sithatha land siya expropriate. Siyasusa wena. So uzolwa nento esibhalwe phansi. Uzolwa nento esibhalwe phansi. There's going to be a removal of abantu in certain areas. There's going to be mine aqalayo. Abantu will make some noise lapho nalapho, but at the end of the day it's going to happen because ngesikwazi ukuphazamisa umsebenzi. That is what stresses me the most. They signed the act promoting yonke lento. Hayi ukuthi umuntu omnyama wajabula phela, umuntu omnyama sesitshethe okay we gonna expropriate land yesitha ama farms awethu. Ses right. We finally get justice, but there is no justice for umuntu omnyama. This act was only signed so it allows the expropriation of izindlu zabantu, iland yabantu kuma townships, which is going to happen. It is currently happening. Khona ngisho imine enye ekuthiwa iVenpa mine. There's a current case going on manje whereby the mine is taking iland yabantu. And ama-heroes ethi avoid lento lena, they don't speak about it. Babhizi bakhuluma ngezinye izinto, basazofika emphakathini bathi abantu abavote right. But they don't want to address lezi zinto lezi ezibalekile. Yokuthi eLimpopo abantu iland yabe ithathwa iVenpa mine. Ama-case ayavoid community yahlangana trying to speak with the leaders of Leo mine, but their voices aren't being heard. It's deep. It's very deep. Everything eyenzekalayo happens for a reason, and chances are the reason is not ukbenefitisa umuntu omnyama. The reason ukuthi isitha has to gain more than umuntu omnyama.
I'm interested in your opinion in terms of the current state of politics in the country. Everyone is a politician, they're opening political parties, and things are happening. Do you believe that our solution it lies in politics, or should we wait for a messiah? What would be our best bet?
I don't believe in politics. I don't believe in these so-called heroes, saviors, leaders. Ngizamncane abanye abantu bazosho nje athi hayi mfana usamncane awazi lutho wawungekho sisalwa wara lo muntu is our hero. Fine, that is okay, but manje you cannot believe in someone who only promises you izinto and never does lento le akuthembise yona. Right now the agenda ekhona is to destabilize umqondo womuntu omnyama. There are so many political parties avukayo. We have angazi noma ngimele ngwaneme yini because
no, name them.
Yabo, we have a Democratic Alliance, ANC, we have EFF Plus esanda kuvuka, we have abanye EFF, so many, and manje umuntu omnyama gets confused. Imagine if besi two party states whereby njengoba si majority
Republicans and Democrats.
bekuzoba simple besokwazi uku-electa i-leader esiyibhekayo sonke. Therefore we all benefit as the black community. Kunalokho isitha is constantly funding abantu, you get imali, go open i-political party yakho, khona abantu abazokusupport, abantu abamnyama, nangomunye uvule yakho, nangomunye. And at the end of the day, isitha only supports one political party, and right now it is dominating. Ngale ndlela yokuthi the current ruling party ibe forced ukwenza coalition nabo. So manje we are working with the people that used to be our enemies, that stripped abantu abamnyama of their land and created a generation of abantu abamnyama that are lost because asikwazi ukulima, asikwazi ukutshala, asinayo livestock, abantu abafana njengami asikwazi ngisho ukusenga inkomo. Asiyazi lento leyo thina because we are the lost generation, and siyajabula isitha. Siyajabula isitha masibona umuntu omnyama ebhizi ebhema insango, ebhizi ephuza utshwala, because that's the agenda. Bona ingane zabo are constantly inheriting izinto that's supposed to benefit us. Ilendi, ama-livestock, bona they have a generational wealth. Whilst thina sifundiswa ukuthi i-9 to 5 is the solution. Funda uqede uthola umsebenzi, be a slave. Hayi ukuthi funda uqede, start your own business, be a hero. Kini stop the cycle yokuthi nenza ama-CV. Now wawenza i-CV, nengane yakho uyenza i-CV. Stop that cycle. Akube akhulunywe another language for once in the black community. Akube khulunywe i-language yokuthi generational wealth. Khulunywe i-language yokuthi we are growing ama-assets asekhaya. Yeah. Ingane ike ikhule yazi ukuthi this is the family business. Igama bangalazi lelo abantu abamnyama bahlala e-township. Abalazi yini leyo. Wazi utshwala, wazi ukwenza i-CV, abhala ukuthi I work well under pressure. Nami ngabhala ukuthi I work well under pressure. Nengane yami iyobhala ukuthi I work well under pressure. It's a cycle. When does it end? It has to end somewhere.
Someone is asking a question right now. Every man has a price and everyone is pushing an agenda, including that man. What is your agenda? Because no, I just want to educate people, to unlearn some certain things, to learn some certain things, to change the narrative, you know. So what is your agenda? When you wake up early in the morning and you are saying, Namtanje, computer, you've got influencers serious, young person. If video reach about a million in a day, South Africa sees 60 million plus. So we should not touch it. Because kuna political parties ayikho ne1 esenabantu abayi-million abayivotelayo uyayibona ke manje ukuthi into enjani sesilako 1 point whatever but ubuningi babo abathi nabantu alright hayi no the third largest yena abantu abayi-1 million sekunzima so wena ukwazi ukubathwala abantu abayi-1-2 million manje so ngamanye amagama ne-constituency yakho yabantu abakulandelayo ama-comments afike ko-5,000-8,000 so it simply means these people are responding to your call. So what is your agenda?
My goal, is to start the revolution. Is to make sure ukuthi I destabilize the system. Is to make sure ukuthi labantu laba who are benefiting, who have always been benefiting from the tears yabantu abamnyama, kuphele konke lokho. I'm not saying ukuthi abantu should pick me as the leader. Umuntu omnyama ngiye ngithi mina, there's something I always tell my ukuthi ngiya inspire ingane, ngiye ngithi mina, don't be a follower, be a leader. Yes, be the change. So umuntu looks at me, sees my videos, avuleke umqondo, and then yena they get to decide ukuthi once we destabilize everything, once we remove the corruption, we remove the so-called democracy, the so-called freedom, who will lead? Because we don't choose our leaders. We choose a political party. We don't choose our leaders. We didn't vote for President Ramaphosa to be leader as whole. We never voted for Jacob Zuma. We never voted for Thabo Mbeki. They were put in. So manje, it's time for umuntu omnyama to choose their leader. I want to start the revolution. Ngisamncane, I know ngisamncane. But I'm willing to ngihlale phansi and learn. I'm willing to sit etafuleni with huge individuals and learn from their wisdom. I understand ukuthi it takes a lot to get to the top. Ayekho umuntu ovela jump. I'm gonna go through all those stages. One day I'm gonna wanna be a counselor. I'm gonna wanna be a mayor.
Yeah.
I want to assist the black community and bring about ushintsho. I'm not saying choose me as the leader. I'm saying ukuthi let me open your mind. Khona wena uzoyikhethela ukuthi who should lead.
While siqhubeka conversation interesting, so people are starting now to Google on their phones. One ungena seyagijima conversation utesani ngimistile igama lalo mfana. Lo mfana omncane lo ukhuluma indaba ezinje. And ngiyayithanda lento njengami ngi amongst intwana. Yeah, ngiba eGrootman eintwaneni zami, but emaGrootmaneni ngiwabiza amaGrootman because intwana encane yagijima. I-USS Flex ngifuna lo moya naleso spirit sentwana encane. Full names and then the platform, so that when we get to our tail end of our conversation, at least bakhona ukugugula manje. Khona umuntu ofuna ukugugula straight and say, no man, this man is very interesting, but who is this man?
If you want me, ungangithola on all digital platforms, uzobhala ukuthi Zero, that's Z-E-R-O, that's all, press search. I'm the first person who will pop up there. And then buke out, if you just watch one, I promise, it's a rabbit hole. Uzobukeng. Eventually, your mind will change. Your perspective is change on everything eyenzekalayo.
Why Zero?
It goes back here, way back. Angidlala ibhola.
Yeah.
I used to play soccer. I was very horrible lapha phakathi on the field. Ngiyinkomo, ngikhahlele la ndibhekele.
Uyidangala straight.
Yeah, until amachita it's no man, yazini, vim back, at least be a goalkeeper.
Yeah.
And then when I started being a goalkeeper, that's when things changed. I discovered ukuthi ngighost apha epalini.
Yeah.
Ngighost angidzima. And then we started winning, and every time mangisepalini 0 goals, like bebengakori. And then we're like amachito like, okay, we're gonna call you Zero.
Nice
mina
one.
ngifuna ukuvinjelwa Zero konke lokho. And then it just yahamba lapho. I've always been called to Zero. Mawufuna mina to Zero.
So Zero operator kanjani ebuncaneni bakho and abantu abasha badla ubusha. Now, are you in a romantic relationship? Because abantu na into phopa kuqala ukuthi ay bafethu i-cherry is stress man yo right lo muntu adlalele ay lo yambona indlela akhuluma isiponotiki la akutshela ukuthi i-life is equal to MC squared. Are you in a relationship?
Yeah, definitely.
Do you have that life as social straight njengabanye abantu?
I do. Awungayiphilela siyakwazi ukuphola amachita sisenze lezo zinto lesihlekele. I do get time to relax with my girlfriend, but I'm on a mission and lokho doesn't stop. I'm always out there helping. If we figure ithuba, if I have the funding, we go to the streets, we feed abantu aba homeless. We go to the streets, we offer them like clothes.
Yeah.
Into encane is literally taking someone, go get a haircut, so be right now, believe in yourself.
Yeah.
We do that's me. It's a part of who I am. So if ufuna ukwazi Zero, the relaxed part of us, that's the relaxed me helping abantu. It's who I am.
But you're intentional. Umuntu nje ufuna ukuphula a positive lifestyle.
I just want to enlighten abantu. Sibe right as the black community.
So now sesivala nje Zero. Kunama platforms amakhulu siyawazi. The list is endless. Ngingabala ngibalile. And manje say migrate yasuka from the traditional media. We are on the digital world, my digital space. AI is taking over.
Yeah.
Ushukuthi akekho no1 okwamanje lasikhona ozayo akangene kuma video yakho athi no ngibuye eNCA mina. Omunye no ngibuye Newsroom Africa. We want your opinion. Or omunye no sifuna umuntu manje ozoba analyst yethu. Or even the anchors, abantu abakhruti abalapha mhlamba I'm opening a door for you as well.
Yeah.
Now maybe questions if flip say, are you interested? Because omunye umuntu nokuba comfortable ngokuloko ela. And which it might be a deception that no man can own up to. It's just a lie, a facade. Akekho ongafuna ukukhula. Do you ever get offers? Are you willing mhlambe nawe to open yourself into the bigger digital platforms?
I'm more than willing. If the time comes, ukhona umuntu ofuna ukugive me naleyo opportunity, please do. I'm here. We can work together. We can assist abantu, enlighten them. Just like how now you gave me this huge platform here, ngihlale phansi, and share the wisdom with the rest of South Africa.
Yeah.
I'm always willing to help. All my DMs ahleze khona.
Yeah.
So whatever idea oza nayo, it has to benefit abanye abantu. As much as I want to grow,
Yeah.
but let's focus on improving the lives of lo muntu ohlele esitolo laphaya ongazi uzokwenzani.
Let's talk about the backlash, because there are always people abahleli and saying uniqhela kakubi Mfondini. Le ntwana iniqhela ikaka. Thetha njani Mfondini? Buyabi lo. Qhwabinye le ntwana.
It does. Ama hates ahlezi ekhona.
Yeah.
My hates, and kubhlungu kakhulu is getting hates from a fellow black person. Yonto elimaza kakhulu. Because I'm all for helping. I believe in us, the black communities. Manje mntu omnyama sengasangifuni. Ngivele it hurts. It hurts to think ukuthi one day the people that I believe in so much might betray me. And yona reality leyo. Ngizoloke ngigrow, because eventually, like, I feel like i-universe iyangilida ukuthi ngiyagrow. Things are gonna start happening. But one day, when I'm at the top, they will betray me.
But now umbuzo omkhulu Zero, abantu bakhala ngale yokuthi media space it's so toxic such that abantu ngathi ba intoxicated aba operate kulesa space. Scheme might sit here and destroy many lives ngokuba reckless, abe careless than being honest. So when kukuphi la uchecka khona ama notes, you know, someone asked me a question yokuthi who speaks a blessing upon your life when amawuthi ugangile or wenza into wrong ubani esiceba kuye wena. So wena ke ama signs akuphi, ubani okumentorayo, and are you careful, are you woke to the reality yokuthi you must be responsible as a broadcaster, because once usakaza into ikhulumile nga destroy impilo zabantu. In closing kule question, bangakhe abantu abafike bakhulume bakubuza umbuzo ukuthi but chief, where do you take these facts of yours? Because if you come as umfundisi, refer to Romans 8:28. Whoever the Son sets free shall be free indeed. We must know ukuthi okay lento kwamampela umuntu yakhona ukubuyela emuva. John 8:36. Uyangithola? So wena ke ubani?
At first kangiyenza ngedwa. At first I did that and it was hard. But now njengoba umuntu esekhulile, it becomes a matter of ukuthi I do get some emails with ama PDF documents. I do save them akhona kwi laptop, so that if ever I make a video one day and someone wants to challenge the thing show, I do have documents as proof ukuthi lento le iyona. And it is out there. So many people have tried to challenge the thing show.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, when they did the research, when I shared with them the documents bayibonela bona, they knew ukuthi hayi sekulate iqiniso liphumile.
In recent times, if let's go reality, just bring it back home. What are the subjects ogwazithatha and ukuthi zamanje njengamanje into egijima GPV?
Yes.
And then mhlambe I would really like to tap into that reservoir la emqondweni ukuthi what's your view on the GPVF? Because abantu abaningi banokuthi I'm fit out of 10 cases, 8 cases are false. Omunye athi no, in reality siyababona abanye bashayiwe ukhona ukubona no kwamampela le case ikhona, but abaningi case yakhona 3 months idrochiwe and what review. Mhlambe le uzoyibeka ungakhohlwa in the tail end while you're answering with the GPVF. But I wanna know the issues as current, the pressing matters according to wena nama cases osebenza ngawo manje, or no, these are real pressing issues.
Currently njengamanje the one video engifuna ukuyenza and expose izinto eziningi is the current situation with the Madlanga Commission. I feel ngibhekisa kumina lento because I don't want ukuthi attack abanye abantu. I feel ukuthi it is all an illusion. Kukhona something abayenza in the background and basebenzisa le Madlanga as something to soothe abantu abamnyama khona bangeke manje ba protest kakhulu babona oh hayi nangu he's being judged kuthiwa wenza ukuthi nokuthi fine. That's the same thing they did the time kukhona G20. It's the same thing they did at the time befuna ukwenza looting. Whenever khona something putomdala a trendayo, something popular abasicina ngayo on the media, usually in the background they're hiding something. I've accepted that reality and njengamanje into engistressa kakhulu ukuthi what are they hiding? What's really going on? Because we cannot say ukuthi the Madlanga Commission is bayayihype for the fact ukuthi bayayihype ukuthi wonke umuntu akhulume ngayo means there's something they're doing. iyangistressa leyo nto bhuti omdala, and I will find out what's going on. Me and the team will expose the truth. Sazi ukuthi kwenzekalani. It deserves to come out.
Is it because lezi zinto lezi mhlawumbe unfounded ezinye and they are baseless, or i-outcome yakhona bavele bakutshele ngokuthi kune-report and then mabacedile bathi hayi lento is classified, or ifana nento yokuthi Zondo Commission asikambono ejele but bekune-commission?
Busy. It's like an act, kune-script. Because understand ukuthi there was someone ekuthiwa untshontshe imali ngange billions. Kodwa that certain someone asikaze simbone manje esekhuluma sesibone accountability. Nalokho benza lento ekuthiwa misdirection, bashift i-focus bayisa kwenye into. To make people forget ukuthi hayi bo khona imali engaka enyamalele.
Yeah, but it's not a lie, because angithi if it's a blatant lie, bengeke kuphume uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi and then afika enze leya press briefing break internet.
Of course.
What's your view then
Of
on
course.
the people that are fingered in this thing, and they're saying no, and now fingers are pointing at certain individuals, and now they're substantiating, they're bringing some proof?
Let's break this down, Putumtala, so maybe abantu bezo understand. 2 billion is a lot of money. 3 billion, 8 billion is a lot of money.
Yeah.
Now let's say when you want to steal imali engaka, it doesn't just disappear. First of all, why wasn't USAS alerted? Imap lama shell companies are created bakwazi ukuthi ukudivert everything. Who was paid off ukwenza sure ukuthi ima able? It's a lot of money. Ngathi ngisho 100,000, you're still gonna get asked questions. Why kodwa manje wakwazi ukunyamalala imali engaka kwathulakala sesidiscover manje. Years later, this person allegedly has some assets. But wathenge kanjani? How can you buy a Lamborghini without USAS knowing? How can you buy or build a huge mansion without certain individuals being notified, and then Mrs. Yak investigates ukuthi senze lento esikuthiwani follow the money, so we can find out ukuthi lento yenza legit.
Source of funds.
Exactly. But ayenziwanga yonke leyo nto. Sesiqhama sesitshenwa manje ukuthi so and so wenza into ethize, we are seizing ama-assets. Fine, but there was no court case. There was no accountability. They just shifted the focus. That's why asimxolele. Why? Butomdala, I need to learn from you. Can you truly say you can make imali ngange billion disappear without actually alerting anything in J?
It's impossible. What's your view on Idaideng, the Phala? I know it's a very sensitive issue, and it has so many talking heads and so many eyes on it. Marage ngati inabanya abamila abayi-force to say no, this one must disappear.
Iphala itself, and umele buza one question. Why isn't it that person engayanga court to take accountability? Again, kwenziwa into ngisho kwashiftwa ifocus kwafocus on the guy nemali and everything, not focusing on the actual facts ukuthi hayibo unemali engaka stashed endlini.
Yeah. And in foreign currency.
In foreign currency without reporting it eSouth Africa, so that sizokwazi ukuthi manje sikutaxe kwenzeke izinto kahle. Nalokho we shifted the focus, sesiblame the guy entshontshe imali. Onke uyifocus manje ne-media, everyone is being paid off ukuthi hayibo no. Don't blame lo ntshontshiile. Not questioning ukuthi hayibo imali iqhamuka chaza. I feel like a president is untouchable. That was
my next question. Do you think people by power bazoba later to book now?
I feel like
will they be made accountable now, to account?
It can't be, because you can't arrest a president. Somehow, for some reason, they're above the law, and that's wrong.
No, but we've got parties. We have our parliament in Cape Town, where gunama commissions. Where
Ibiki
kunama-
commission the time the deputy president ithenga imizi that are valued at 60 something million. Where was the accountability lapho?
Yeah.
None. Bathula ngathi do shift focus kwakhohlwa. There's so much going on, Putumdala. I know I'm still young, but I want to make a change. I feel like enough is enough. I feel like enough is enough.
We were supposed to have you here on the platform. And the manje abantu bayoqhubeka because it's a portal. Mina, this is just an intro. And then Kulme site in Lam with almost 400,000 people.
Yes.
Abakoni YouTube as it takes time to build. And then with the 1 million plus that I have on TikTok, when we post these videos, I know for a fact they want to start a conversation. Maybe there will be a revolution starting. So in closing, the gender-based violence, GBVF, do you think it's a facade? Do you think it's another campaign? Efandwayo, an organization amakhulu for ama decoys, nama benefits wabantu. And I don't want us to be reckless. Be responsible as it could be because kunabantu abalimalayo abosisi bayashona bayafa abantwana bayafa every day in South Africa because of the very senseless crime.
GPV is wrong, guys. Do not abuse abantu besifazane. But futhi let's acknowledge the fact yokuthi bavule this purple movement thing and ba protest fighting against it. And it was nice. It was beautiful seeing our fellow sisters unite. But manje, if you dig deep, who started the movement? Onuba. You find out it was a Sita, it was a white lady there, and then manje understand why iqalile. We qala because there's a certain chaos afuna uyicriator, there's a certain narrative afuna ukuyenza or afuna ukuyivezela labantu abezayo eSouth Africa for G20. Because if it was something as serious, the whole purple movement, mhlawumbe wayibona beshintsha ama profile ebaphephule yonke lezi zinto lezi. Why isiphelile? Ngenxa i-G20 iphelile nabo sebeyile ukuprotest nabo.
So do you think it was directed to destabilize that move at that time, G20?
I don't think. I know it's a known fact. Research ukuthi ubani who founded the movement. Find out ukuthi it wasn't a black person ohlala eSouth Africa.
Uyabona ukuthi ngotspot ama enemies wakho manje. Bayangihlasela manje. Scheme. Now you are offering this platform to this young man. This young man is delusional. So this young man didn't see. Do you think does he think that we are mad? I'm talking celebrities, business people, staunch Christians. Abantu, they made sure that they support. I mean, I'm one of the people who's pro and who's supporting our movements. And then as kuluma against ukushawa kubulawa abantwana besifazane, and then people who knows me. When you do something, you don't need to kuluma ngayo kakhulu. Abantu babona ngimsebenzi. Mina ngikhuluma kwakuyikhuluma because they know my role engidlala in the community when it comes to GBVF. But I'm worried about people not being woke. So we must wake up to a reality one day, in a realization ukuthi let's not be used kwesinye isikhathi kwezinye zezinto. I'm not saying this against the purple movement and many other movements. Khona bo maku eAmerica makulala lenkosi uGeorge Floyd lapha kwavele kwaba busy and then kwaqala irevolution and then there was a movement eyahamba umhlaba wonke kwaba stand still aqishe yavuthi eAmerica. So lama movements ayayenza lento ukuthi as enable ukuthi sibonakale kuqala, but I so wish ukuthi ngathi ngaba ne follow up or aftercare. I so wish ngathi the fire could always be burning, kungabi into seasonal. Of course, I mean bekunento khona ebeyenzeka at that time. Mhlambe there was a reason yokuthi why sila, yebo, but it must not, the reason must not tend to be an excuse. We had to give excuse for us to sense in danger.
But like South Africa, there is no justice. At least in America, they were able to get justice for George Floyd. Like South Africa, where was the justice for Ucwecwe? Because a free forum stepped in and protected that individual who was accused. Where was the justice for Omnyama that khona lubuta bamthatha bamfaka in a coffin? Isitha samcamela whilst ephakathi ekhala, there's even a video as evidence, but there was no accountability,
when
no
they
arrest.
convicted these white people,
Into yahamba ecourts, a free forum stepped in, kwanyamalala kwaphela kanjalo. It always happens. It's a cycle, Putomdala. That's what I revealed my videos. Khona nje recently, there's a case whereby Isitha decided to run down iy'ngane ezisesikole ngemoto. fast forward kwaba ne-hype, abantu wanted to rally behind that, but there was no justice.
Someone who says this young man is an instigator, you can't say Isita. I'm just saying, you know, in hindsight, Guti.
Yes.
Remember, we are preaching unity, black and white. So when you feel good, no justice, we're not there yet. Not yet, Uhuru. So I can't acknowledge. It's like when you are taking it to like Abu Julius Malemu,
course.
CIC. They refuse. When you sing that in Nkosi Sigalela, bazoyicula. Ithi yongena ukula amanye language, they sit down. And they are not hiding. So but no, that still shows a division amongst know all races. And Kumbula, we are working towards the one Africa, you know. But when it comes to the black and the white, Mhlambe, let me rephrase the question.
Okay.
What is your view? Do you think we are in accordance? We are aligned?
It's an illusion. It's a lie. There is no freedom. There is no equality. Understand, listen to me, because bantu instigator. From the very beginning, afika ama-settlers la South Africa. Basifika sine piece of course there are some wars, but siyayiphilela. They stripped abantu abamnyama of ilendi, ikhetho, and basithatha thina bayosimpintsha ndawonye, and they called those places ama-locations. They created a toxic environment for us, and they took all the wealth. After that, manje masithi thina we want back everything that belongs to us, bayalwa, ba against that. If bethi bona unity, togetherness, now I want that, I really want that. But first, let us level the playing field so that umuntu omnyama can compete with ilumfana ohlala esensini. Umuntu omnyama can compete with ilumfana ofunda Hilton College.
But if someone says, Chief, 32 years plus, man, what is this young man talking about? It's 32 years in counting. So you got your land, you got your wealth, you got your power, you got your country back. It's back in your hands. You are the ones. And that's why I'm commission.
Of course.
Is that one person there, or white person, who's saying, this boy, I'm bored again, you don't the blame on us. By 32 years plus. But bala, since Atola inkululeko. So why are we still blaming?
32 years, angiphiki, but manje yiple inkululeko sayithola. Kwavele kwathiwa we're free. Bajabula ke phela ogogo nomkhulu because babengazi. But ngibuze nami mputo omdala, were there ever a situation whereby ehlalis our great leader, our hero yasemphakathini, uPresident Nelson Mandela, ebiza ama-leaders, it's okay, now we are redistributing the wealth. We are leveling the playing field for umuntu omnyama. Hlanganani kunendawo la, we're gonna take it, you're gonna do farming, you're gonna provide izinto for the rest of South Africa. There's a business ekhona ebibelonga kwisitha, they are now handing it over to abantu abamnyama. Take over, build, create wealth. They are ama-lokhuzana, they are ama-banks. Sinama-bank. Kodwa manje lawa ama-bank abantu abamnyama abhiza acindezelwe azavalwe. There are certain banks that were created to benefit abantu abamnyama, but manje awasekho. But lawa, the institutions lawa ekuyiwona create seats asakhona namanje. Asakhona namanje. So where is the equality Bhuti Omdala? And one more question. What is the biggest lie that you think as Bhuti Omdala we were sold in South Africa from the very beginning?
Well, I can't pinpoint one, but le issue freedom sisabuyela back kuyo because yonke into it's centered around that. Mara ngiyadlula lapho.
Of course.
My answer is very simple. It's in our hands. Njengoba washo ke late statesman. Abantu banalo mqondo kunomunye umuntu okwathi if you think you can, you can. If you think you can't, you can't. Okay. So abantu bazidla bona. Lento it's a white elephant. Lento it's a self-inflicted pain. Chief, mina angifuni ukubuyela emuva and blame a lie, the truth nani. I'm building a future.
Of course.
I am living in the future that I'm creating. So that is why I can't say bluntly I'm not affected. I am affected, but I'm not internalizing anything. I don't have a qualification at any I've got a criminal record now, but ngiyaphila ngiyaphambili. It's because
Yes.
I saw ukuthi lento mfana it's about me, honestly speaking. So that is
Yes.
why I don't feel. I'm colorblind. So if you're saying there's a lie that we're sold, yes, to me it might be a facade. Yes, there is somewhere somehow, but I'm not affected by that lie. I live my life because ngathi mina I think engiyofuna omunye umuntu uthi the biggest lie is religion. You were sold Christ, the Messiah. There's nothing like that. Chief, if iyakuphilisa abalaphi bendabuko bavelaphi. You understand? Makuphila kuphileka abantu abaphile. So for me, I am fair to the light of God will be shining upon my path, and then I carry on and live my life.
Yeah, siyaphambili. It is what it is. We just gotta move, I guess.
Yeah. No, thank you, Zero, and it's been a privilege and honor for you ukuthi usuke all the way. And uthe makaloku angitshela uJason ade mfethu le ndoda seyisukile la ngithi this young man is very serious and very intentional about this. We are honored and akusinto encane. Ngifisa ukuthi nani nazi futhi ukuthi le ndoda isuka kude ezansi. He took his own time, wastopa yonke into ukuthi eze sizoshare and break bread together. So uzosipha amanamba wakhe as we are signing off. We are out. Please follow him, like and challenge him most importantly.
Yeah.
We don't just agree nje, but we need to
Exactly.
challenge izinto. Cela sibagama number and then your message of support mhlambe last words, and then that's our parting shot.
All I have to say is don't be a follower, be a leader, Mtomnyama. Think for yourselves. Think for yourselves. If you want to find me, DM me. Ngiyatholakala. Just go to any digital platform, social media, ubhale ukuthi ZERO uzongithola. Challenge me. Come to me with your ideas. Let's share ideas. Let's grow together as abantu abamnyama and create wealth amongst our own selves. Ngiyabonga bhuti omdala.
Keep well and stay blessed. Uzero uyichinjile interview bese ka interviewer mina Uzero. A young man awunavalo mshana. First person to ever say asike sijithe ngibuza wena bhuti omdala. Thank you very much.
Ngibonga
An interesting
mina.
conversation. To God be the glory. May the good Lord bless you. Sabuyele ezansi. Babingelele sibonga nakubazali.
Ah, mawami.
Ukuthi nikhulise iqhawe.
Gona.
Yeah, awuzeke. Ungenile
Khona.
phakathi inside eSGP.
Awu.
Thank you. Salute. Boy.
Bhuti omdala.
Beautiful conversation. Yeah.
I appreciate you.
Yeah.